Hey everybody, we're back with more of our Revit training and we're working on this small church project here. So in the last video we did our sanitary system or drainage. This is basically where all of the sanitary or sewage leaves the building. So now we want to do, and this was an auto route, and these are in the right places that we want to see them in. So now at this point, what I like to do is do our our water system now, cold water. So basically works the same way as the other auto routes. So here, I'm going to just select this plumbing fixture here. And then, these are all selected. So I'm going to generate a layout here. This is going to be, cold water. I'm going to go OK. And I'm going to look at my settings here. Now, I'm going to leave this at 9 feet, but I'm sure we got to go higher just for this video's sake. We'll go back and show you how to edit that. So look at branch, it's both at 9. So I'm going to go back to main. I'm going to say OK. Then we'll finish that. So there's our cold water system here. Okay. And then over here now we got a few issues. So what I'm going to do now is going to show you how we fix things like this. At one point, I think we made some call out views. Say as for instance, let's go into this room. You know the easier way to do this is how you would really do something like this. Let's just drop a section here and there. Okay. Now actually I want to do this the other way because we need to get this pipe in this wall, this space here. So I'm going to draw a section right there, and I'm going to flip that guy, and I want to see this. Yep. Let's open that view. And let's pull this down. Actually, I was in a better view before. Let's make this fine. Okay. So I need to pick this wall up. So I'm going to go back into the this view. And I'm going to just see if I can, let me see if I can just fix this way. I don't know why I'm not picking that up. But that's not a big deal because I should be able to just take this guy and drag it over. Yeah. And then this one, this is water as well. Cold water. Bring that, cancel that. We want to undo that. So that's not working out for us there. So if I can just move it slightly. Nope, that's not going to work. So our auto route's not working. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to do some things here. So for this one, so I can get that guy out there. Yeah. So we got an issue with this pipe right here. We have to look at it. Something's going on down in that area. And then the same with these guys. We've got to move these into this wall. Actually, they might just work right where I got them, actually. If I can pull them out, great. If not, we got more than enough space in this area right here, so we can pull this out a little bit more. So you guys get the idea. This is basically modifying our auto router pipe in our, this is our cold water system here. So that's good there. I think we can work here. So now what we do next is we do our hot water. I'm going to run you through this briefly. So we would say, we would grab this fixture right here, for instance, and then we would do piping system. And here we already defaulted to hot water. We'll say okay. And then I'm going to edit the system, and I'm going to add all the hot water elements here. So we need hot water here, here, and here. And then I'll select the equipment, which will be that hot water heater. And then I'll finish it. Okay, then next we want to do an auto route. So I sort of should be able to select this. Select this. What's going on here, guys? Oh, maybe here. Okay, generate layout for the hot water. Okay. Let's see the settings here. Let's make this just a little bit higher. Let's put this at 9.6. Okay. And I'll finish it. So there's our hot water pipe. So we've got our hot and cold water done here, and then again we want to go in here and fix this. Now we can do this manually, but I really like how the auto route works. So we've got our hot water, our cold water, and then we've got our sanitary. So hey guys, let's see if I can get a better view of this. Run that up above. So I'm going to go into my 3D view here. Going to oriented view. Floor plans, and that was domestic water. If it wants to come in. That's not what I'm after here. So I'll pull that down. Let's see. Okay. Okay, guys. So anyway, we got to figure out. Let me see if I can go to another view here right quick, because I don't want to take this too far. We wanted to do in this drawing. We've got our everything done here. Go back to this level, and then let's look at this. Let's just do a look at our section views. So we're going to project browser. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Just wanted to show you how to lay out our electrical. I mean, not electrical, but we got our hot water, and we got our cold water in our drainage. So this is the plumbing system for our small house, of our small church. But hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps make videos like this all the time. And yeah, you can always use a section to see things, though. So like here, you might want to go this way, and just double click that. And so that's kind of what's going on in there. There's your hot water. Make this fine view. So there's everything happening now. These pipes are probably going to have to go up. But there's our system, our plumbing system in Revit. So hey guys, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe, and this is holiday season. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Please subscribe.